Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know about y'all, but don't you fucking hate when you're working on something? You know what else I hate? That fucking dog next door. But what I really hate is when you're working on something with your drill. You got your DeWalt 18 volter, and you're fucking screwing something in, and the battery fucking takes a shit on you. You look right next to you, and there's a plug-in right there. But no, you got yourself a battery drill. Sure, DeWalt wants to go back to Home Depot and buy yourself their AC-powered drill. But what if? What if we could have a hybrid? Now, when I say hybrid, I don't mean like a Prius. I mean something actually useful. I'm talking about using your drill with a battery, and if your battery dies and you want to keep going, you can plug it into the wall and keep going while your battery's charged. It's going to be a several part video because we're actually going to try some different ways. But if I spoil it all the first time, well, that won't be any fun. But the first thing we're going to try is this. We're going to try and do it with some industrial Legos here. So looking at this here, if we put 120 volts going into it, we get 12 volts AC going out. Unless you're building dollhouses, no one really uses a 12 volt drill. Some electricians like to use a 12 volt drill because it's easy, it's light, it's easy to take stuff apart. As far as drilling and really driving threaded nails in, not the most ideal thing. But like I said, this is going to be a several part video. We're starting with the 12 volt drill today, but don't you worry, I got an 18 volter that we're going to make run on wall power too. Transformer. Reduces the voltage 120 to 12 volts AC. Where can you find these? Actually, you'd be surprised where you could find these. These are pretty well everywhere in the industry, and they're disposable. Next thing that we're going to need is we're going to need a sacrifice a virgin. So we got a master crap tool here, 12 volter. I picked this up for fuck all. That's the thing. If you want to do this project just purely to have an AC powered drill, you find these drills used for fuck all because the batteries take shits on them. People just want to get rid of the fucking thing because they bought a fucking Diobi. Alright, so anybody who's watching this who has at least half a brain knows that you can't run AC through them here DC motors. You're going to burn the piss out of them. Well, that's only half true. Some of the higher quality drills, so not fucking this one, they have universal motors, which means they can run an AC or DC. This is not a high quality drill. And I know that these are made in China, and China just has an abundance of DC motors that they can use in these drills. So what do? We use one of these. A fucking silver box. What this is actually called a bridge rectifier. So what does this do? It's got 4 prongs here on the bottom, 4 pokey ends. Now, here's the magic that happens behind it. Inside this box here are diodes. And if you line the diodes up in a certain way, some kind of magic happens. If you put AC here and here, does not matter the polarity, you'll get DC positive and DC negative here. Now, if you've never noticed on these here batteries, there's all kinds of warnings and shit to tell you, no fucking user serviceable parts here. If there wasn't any user serviceable parts, why are they Phillips heads, and why did they just not glue it all together? You're just asking me to poke my screwdriver in there and take it apart if you're going to use Phillips heads. I mean, come on. There's something. Yeah, maybe just a... There's still a screw in there? Oh yeah, there it is. Holy fuck, the factory dust coming out the side of this thing. That's what the inside of a drill battery looks like. Look at that, batteries. Holy fuck, this thing is dirty. We don't actually need these pieces of shit. How the fuck does that... Oh, okay, I get it. Not really. I think I know. Just grab the... Ow! We're going to be a little bit more careful this time. This has just become a science experiment now. Let's try not to touch those again. Now inside here we can see we got the two contacts. Now we just need to flip around to the other side. Oh my god, the light in here is shit. But anyway, this is positive, this is negative. So we know that our positive needs to go on this here contact. Our negative needs to go on this here contact. How hard should that be? Actually, we can make this even easier. Since there's no battery in the way, we can fold these up, wrap the wire around them. Then you can use your imagination on how you want to secure them. Alright, so we got our battery apart. We got a little wire hooked up to those connectors there. Now we just need to run it out the back of the battery case. Now in order to do that, we're going to need a hole. Right there. Holy fuck. Cool. Now we'll just feed our wires through that hole. Whew! That plastic smells like fucking pure Chinese garbage. For the technical guys, this is 14 gauge wire that we're using. But for the actual extension cord that we're going to be using for it, so we're going to need a special cord, we're going to be using 12 gauge. Just in case. So this is all done. Man, I keep picking this thing up thinking I'm picking up a drill battery, but it doesn't fucking weigh anything. So the way a bridge rectifier works, it says on it AC, and then there's a plus sign on the other side. It's really simple. You just follow the AC here, and you know that AC goes diagonally for this. So we just need to connect the AC power here. We'll get DC positive out here, and DC negative out here. Like I said, this thing already has spade connectors on it. And this bridge rectifier just so happens to take spade connectors. So when done and made this, so what this is the female DC connector. That's where we're going to be plugging the drill in. And then we got the spade connectors on this side. Now this time polarity matters. So we got to go to that plus side and add our positive. And then process of elimination, we got our negative. Now what's on the other end of this power supply? Well, fuck, it should be obvious. Just a plug-in. I haven't tried this yet, so this is going to be fun for all of us. So we got the drill here. Let's just slide in a no trickery battery. Actually, fuck, it's a good thing we made this thing. This battery sounds like it's dead. Now we'll pick up our super legera battery. Fuck, I keep saying that. So I do plan on making a cord for this. I don't plan on working 3 inches away from this fucking thing all the time. Now take the female end, plug her into the male end. There, I just turned on the power strip. Now there's no trickery here. You can hear it's nice and hollow. We got the wire coming out the back here. Contact. Holy old fuck! Look at the power! Holy fuck, boys! We don't need to fucking modify an 18-volt drill. This fucking thing will blow it away. So again here, I want you guys to see there's no trickery. We're plugged right into that bridge rectifier from this battery pack that we made. Take it out. See, I'm leaving it right there, right in front of your eyes. This one has no wire, no fucking trickery here. Slide her in just like that. Now we're back on battery. Stay tuned, everybody. I'm really excited about modifying an 18-volt drill and doing the same thing, but we're going to use not some industrial Lego. We're going to use something that's very common, something that you probably already have in your home in order to get this 18-volter to work just as good as it does on battery, but AC powered from the wall. So stay tuned, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't enjoy this video, you're a fucking dickhead. Remember everyone, if you're gonna be dumb, shit. If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be smart.